Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so the verification can succeed. First, check your iPhone or iPad date and time and set it to automatic. This prevents SSL and certificate mismatches. Next, sign in at Apple. Com to confirm your password and account security. Reset now if it fails. Then, make sure your payment method and billing address match what Apple expects. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary network caches and prepare for the next steps. Now you tackle connectivity and App Store state, which often block verification. First, switch networks. Use cellular or a different Wi-Fi to rule out DNS or router filtering. Then open Settings, tap your name, sign out of the App Store, restart the device, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and permissions. Make sure iOS and the App Store app are updated, and pause or clear any pending downloads, because stuck transactions can prevent new verifications from completing. Finish by restoring targeted settings and confirming account access. If problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi profiles. This won't erase apps but will remove saved networks, so have passwords ready. Next, attempt signing in with your Apple ID on another device. If that works, the problem is device-specific. If not, contact Apple support or visit a Genius bar with your device and ID proof so they can check account flags or server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.